Hi.
And they're going to call your name when it's ready, so just wait for it to back.
Okay. Eight for it.
So we can have a bite of mine. I can have a bite of yours.
Thank you very much.
Tomato, basically, with maybe a little salt. Like there's not much.
It is very good. It's very chewy.
The sauce is good. I mean, the sauce on this is like incredibly good.
Because the grandfather and grandmother are already very they have a
Well, the rest of that's really
Anybody picking up a whole
I mean, like, it's probably part of the problem. Again, I love that guy. He went to UVA. He went to UVA Law. Yeah. Him and like at least two other candidates. I got it.